Hello, Blooming Head family. So we come from this piston right here to this right here. So I'm happy to have you here with me. So here I'm showing you the full transformation. The full transformation. That's the after video of the whole property. I'm showing you everything I have done so far. Everything I have done so far, I'm showing you right now. Everything the client requested, I did. This is the stone garden. I showed you guys step by step. If you follow me and you are a subscriber or you watch my videos, you will see everything I did from start. From when I removed the goat weed, that was all the way here. Here, this area was completely filled with goat weed. I get rid of the goat weed, this, and then put some landscape fabric, you know, and then I put 4 inches of piston. This area was compact with weeds. I removed the weeds and I add some more piston. This garden here, it was full with mulch. I was happy for the mulch. I left the mulch. I put the landscape fabric above the mulch, and then I put 3 inches of piston here. Got it. Looks all leveled. Looks so nice. Then today I completed this area. Well, I was only supposed to do the area that had the goatweed, which is here, and then I was supposed to do here. But the client was so pleased with how it turned out. They asked me to do that area. So I did that. I have to give it an edge restraint. I will show you guys when I'm putting the edge restraint, and then I will edge it. So it will get a nice edge. I'm very happy for how it turned out. So I'm gonna take you guys to another area that I did. Enjoy the view. So I did this area. I weed it. Likewise here, with that area too. Weed it all up. Yeah, I weeded this. Weed it all up. I gave it a nice little edge, natural edge. They like everything looking nice. Oh, then I edge this area, edge it up nicely, and then I shape those shrubs. This is a burning bush here. Shape it up nicely. I weed around the edges. I'm gonna add piston next. So the area, the outer edge, that area is it's gonna get some piston to match this area here. Shape it up nicely. I did this as well. Client have a natural garden. They don't want any mulch in here. They want it to be natural. So they have some nice headers and sage. So what I did, I use my brush cutter and I swipe the grass as low as possible, and then I clean around the headers and the sage. So I'm going to maintain this for the whole summer. I'm going to maintain it for the whole summer, even after the perennials are done flowering, and I will still be here maintaining it. So I clean it all up. Stone garden here. It was not done by me, but I maintained it. Stone garden here. Clean it up nicely. There's some yew planted here. I wither around it. I'm gonna put some piston around here as well. So the next time I come, that's what I'll be doing. We have some hostas, same thing. Some grasses. She loves her grasses, so she planted them all by herself. So they're gonna be looking nice. I think some of them, that's an elephant grass right here. These are my favorite grasses. They produce that beautiful purple flower. She liked it natural, so she decided not to mow. There's a lot of wildflowers in there. They will bloom in the next coming weeks. So this is where, I know this video is long. I would appreciate it if you guys look at it. Remember to like, share, and subscribe if you have not done so as yet. Just look at that. Just look at the beauty right there. This is so beautiful. Blooming yard at its best. Look at that. Look at that. I'm proud of myself. I'm proud of what I can do. Thank you for viewing. This is where I say catch you on the next